Exercise 1.6 4-point charges. QA equals 2 microcoulomb, QB equals 5 microcoulomb, QC equals QB minus 5 microcoulomb, QC 2 microcoulomb, and QD equals 5 microcoulomb are located at the corners of a square ABCD of side 10 cm. What is the force on a charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of the square? 4-point charges. QA equals 2 microcoulomb, QB equals minus 5 microcoulomb, QC equals 2 microcoulomb, and QD equals minus 5 microcoulomb are placed on the corners of side ABCD. This is square ABCD of side 10 centimeter. If ये मैंने इसके बनाए diagonals, this is the center O. Okay, what is the force on the charge of 1 microcoulomb? Here 1 microcoulomb charge is placed. इसको मैं लिखता हूँ QO equals 1 microcoulomb, और इस पर हमें force find करना है. Now there are 4 forces and the net force is the sum of all the 4 forces. The charge at center O is positive charge. Therefore, the 2 positive charge will repel each other and the 2 negative charges, 1 negative and the positive charge, attract each other. Now, this one is FOA, force on O due to A. This one is FOB, force on O due to B. Positive, negative attract each other. Then positive, positive repel each other. This is the force on O due to C, and positive, negative attract each other. This is the force on O due to D. There are 4 forces. The net force is the sum of all the 4 forces. अब इनके बीच का हम फोर्स हम फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ by the property of square, OA equals OB equals OD equals OC. OA, OB, OC, OD all are equal. Now see, what is F? FOA. FOA vector equals K Q1 2 microcoulomb, Q2 2 microcoulomb divided by 1 microcoulomb, 2 microcoulomb, 1 microcoulomb divided by AO square, and the direction of this force is along OC, from O to C, OC cap. Similarly, the force on A due to C equals K 2 microcoulomb 1 microcoulomb divided by OC square, and the direction this force FOC is along OA. O to A means OA cap. Here you see OC and OC vector and OA vector are exactly opposite to each other. Therefore, OA cap is the negative of OC cap. So hence it can be written as OC vector equals K 2 microcoulomb 1 microcoulomb divided by OC square and minus OC cap. Hence FOC plus FOA equals 0. इन दोनों का सम हो गया 0. और सिमिलरली आप प्रूव कर सकते हैं FOD और FOB दोनों का इनका सम भी कितना है 0 है. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? इसका मीनिंग हुआ नेट फोर्स ऑन 1 माइक्रोकूलम्ब इज 0. कोई भी फोर्स इस पर नहीं लगने वाली 1 माइक्रोकूलम्ब पर.